This is Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And I got this question. How do I get rid of the shared with me folder under my drive? It's important to understand that. And I'm going to show you what you can and can't do in this video. So here's how it happens. Somebody wants to share a file with me. The little icon right there means it's shared with me. So it's under my share with me folder. So that tells me somebody sent it to me. They thought it was important for me to review it. And here's the email I got. I got this email right here from Teddy Burris on the Burris Consulting business account. And he wants to share this file with me, pricing and design for a 6-foot picnic table. And the only option I really have typically is to click on it and open, or click on it and open. But check this out. Block the sender from Drive. Now, so I could block that sender from sending files to me to Drive. So what does that mean? Let's click on that and see. So here's block this person. T.O. Burris at teddyburris.com. No longer be able to interact with you in Google Drive and certain other Google products. Now, I'd like to know what those certain other Google products are. I wonder if it tells me that. Let's go take a look. Block and unblock people in Drive. You won't be able to share files. You won't be able to share files. You won't be able to access any files. You can no longer comment notifications, get comment notifications. When you block or unblock, there may be a short delay. This is all about Google Drive. And the reason why I want to know that, I didn't want to block them from email or calendar or those areas, but I do want to block them from Drive. So I like this. This is useful. Let me go ahead and block this guy. Boom. Blocked. Now check this out. This is funny. Let me hit refresh to make sure. When I blocked him, it removed the file from my share with me. Hey, let me go share another file. Let me go over here on my other computer. I now have 2 computers to do this now. Let me go find a file. I'm going to find this file. I'm going to hit share. I'm going to type in Burris Consulting at Gmail. And I'm going to say, dude, take a look at this. Send. Up. Let's share that to you. Hang on a second. I got to show this to you. I got this message. When I tried to share another file, can't share. So he knows it's not going to work anymore. That's really good. I like that. That really drove home the point. You ain't sharing files with me anymore. So I'm going to hit cancel. Now, what happens if I hit cancel again? What happens if I'm like, oh my golly, I really want this guy to be able to share files with me, or I need him to share files with me. How do I fix this? Let me show you how you fix it. Go to your account where it says manage your Google account. As I clicked on the B, manage your Google account. Go over to people and sharing. Go to blocked. I got one blocked user. There he is. Just hit the X. And no users blocked. Now let me go back and try it again. I'm going to go share a file with Burris Consulting. It might time out. I hope it doesn't time out. Boom. It went. It worked. Now if I go look at share with me, I should see a new email message. Here's a new email message. There it is there. And share with me, I got it back because I unblocked him. So bottom line, you can't get rid of the share with me, but you can block people who share files with you. And then you can unblock them later if you decide it's important for you to be able to share files with them again. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. Hope this is helpful.